Before gold becomes a refined asset, it begins in the raw earth beneath us.
Gold rarely appears in pure form. It's hidden in these mineral veins.
Every ton of ore transported is a step closer to uncovering microscopic traces of gold. Massive machines carve through solid rock with precision. Specialists identify zones rich enough for extraction.
Deep boreholes are drilled to fragment the ore for removal.
Charge is set. Let's move to the next drop point. Check the schematic.
Right, following you.
Each blast process is meticulously calculated for safety and efficiency. In seconds, solid rock becomes manageable fragments. Heavy loaders transfer newly exploded ore to transport vehicles. Every load is destined for processing, where gold is separated from waste. A constant flow of ore keeps the production cycle alive. Dust control ensures safety and visibility across the mine. Before transport, ore is reduced to manageable pieces. The first mechanical stage begins right at the mine. Conveyors move tons of ore every hour without interruption. Silos regulate flow before long-distance transport. From the mine, the ore begins its journey to processing facilities. The raw harvest phase ends as the ore leaves the mine for refinement. The journey continues across rugged terrain built for heavy loads.
Each kilometer is monitored for safety, efficiency, and fuel control.
Weigh-ins ensure every load meets transport regulations.
Security protocols protect the high-value cargo.
The ore joins regional transport networks, moving towards smelting hubs.
Even during transport, the material settles under constant motion. Each structure hints at the region's industrial backbone. The ore finally reaches the controlled confines of the processing plant. The unloading phase begins with precision alignment. The material must be emptied steadily to prevent sudden surges. This hopper regulates flow into the plant's internal conveyors. Controlled vibration ensures consistent feed rate.
From this point on, the ore undergoes industrial refinement.
The journey now shifts from transport to transformation. A modern gold facility handles thousands of tons of ore each day. Inside, automated systems begin separating gold-bearing minerals. Ore enters a world of controlled mechanical force. Every section operates with unified precision. Air filtration keeps visibility clear and workers safe. Screening ensures only the correct size proceeds forward. Routine inspections maintain non-stop operation. Further size reduction prepares the ore for chemical extraction. Material flow remains continuous through every stage. Ore transitions from crushing to preparation zones.
Density separation concentrates gold-bearing particles.
From dry rock, the material becomes a workable slurry.
These tanks homogenize the mixture before chemical processing begins.
Reagents are carefully stored under strict regulations. Here begins the chemical phase that frees gold from ore.
Coarse contaminants are removed with controlled screening.
Separated solids move to mechanical sorting systems.
Precise mechanical guidance organizes material into calibrated sizes.
Rotational sorting removes impurities before fine processing.
Massive pumps maintain pressure for efficient solution movement. Clarification allows finer impurities to fall away naturally. The purified stream is now ready for adsorption. These columns capture dissolved gold at a molecular level.
Every particle is scrutinized for value before disposal.
Even leftover solids are checked for residual gold.
Magnetic separation cleans the feed for chemical stability.
Now the gold-rich solution begins its core chemical transformation. Activated carbon mixes with slurry to capture dissolved gold.
Mechanical agitation forces maximum contact between carbon and solution. Inside this tank, gold bonds to carbon at a molecular level.
Heat boosts reactivity and prepares the solution for gold release.
This is where gold separates from the activated carbon.
pressurized solvent strips gold into a concentrated solution. What was once microscopic is now a recoverable liquid metal. Electrowinning converts dissolved gold back into solid form. Before gold becomes a refined asset, it begins in the raw earth beneath us. Precise magnetic fields heat the metal without direct flame. Here, the concentrate will melt into pure liquid gold. Extreme temperatures break down all remaining impurities. A ceramic crucible gathers the purified molten metal. At this stage, gold becomes a living river of fire.
Watch the swing. Bring it over to station 3.
The molten gold is moved gently to prevent metal turbulence. Graphite molds withstand extreme heat and shape the final ingot. Every pour is measured to achieve exact ingot weight. Freshly cast gold begins cooling for solidification. Cooling locks the ingot's structure into solid form. Once stable, each ingot is lifted for rapid final cooling. Water quenching removes heat instantly and safely.
Inside lies the solidified product of the smelting stage. Each bar now moves for finishing and removal of excess edges. Precision grinding ensures perfect dimensions before stamping.
The smelted gold is now ready for final finishing. Automation refines precision in every step of production. These systems ensure consistent handling of each gold bar. Positioning accuracy is key for downstream processing. Millimeter-level readings verify perfect geometry. Identity stamping turns each bar into traceable value. Polishing enhances clarity and brand signature. Every gram is accounted for with absolute accuracy. Digital tracking integrates into global supply systems.
RFID enables tamper-proof authentication.
UV curing secures all encoded identifiers. Automated logic directs each bar to its designated finish line. Complex routing manages high-capacity flow efficiently.
Automated loading eliminates handling errors.
Automation hands the gold to the finishing floor. Here, craftsmanship refines what automation shaped. Even the smallest imperfection is removed. Polishing brings out the iconic reflective glow. Brightness consistency defines premium grade bars. Microscans ensure flawless presentation. The Hallmark certifies international authenticity. A final wipe ensures zero residue. Each bar undergoes final visual approval. Each bar is sealed to prevent contamination.
Documentation accompanies every gold unit.
Premium packaging elevates final presentation.
Labels connect each bar to its distribution path. Sealed packaging protects value during handling. Finishing completes. Quality control takes over.
Morning, team. What's the status on the Phase 9 stability samples?
Every gold bar must pass stringent verification.
X-ray fluorescence determines exact purity.
Weight accuracy must match declared specifications. Mechanical hardness matches pure metal properties.
Spectrum analysis confirms absolute purity.
Surface durability must meet premium standards. Dimensional tolerance ensures international compliance.
Visual reflections reveal hidden defects.
Every bar receives documented verification.
Approval ensures compliance with global standards.
We'll pull this sample here.
All right. All right.
Okay, this one checks out.
Random audits maintain integrity. LIBS validates purity at microscopic layers. The batch now qualifies for packaging and dispatch. Quality control signs off the final shipment.
Packaging and dispatch begins now.
The final phase moves gold toward global destinations. Heavy machinery ensures careful handling. Pallets are wrapped securely for transit stability. Outbound scans connect shipments to global tracking.
All right, gross weight is good. Here's the slip. Thanks, appreciate it.
Weight verification prevents cargo inconsistencies.
All right, bring it all the way in. Watch your left side. Okay, drop it right there.
Armored trucks secure high-value transport. Each load is placed with absolute precision.
Security locks protect the cargo from tampering.
Seals provide traceable security signatures.
That's the last one for this row, crate 42.
Got it. Checking it off now.
What's next?
Some batches remain stored for future release.
This reorganization has been challenging, but I am confident in the team's ability to move forward. Thank you all for your dedication.
And this is how modern factories produce gold from start to finish.
From earth to refinery, perfection at scale.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.